Hi there, welcome to my crochet euphoria. My name is Jeffrey. In our previous video here we saw how to make a single crochet and a half double crochet. I will link it in the description and also insert a card on top. Today we will see how to make a double crochet. So in order to make a double crochet we will start with our foundation chain. So I'm making a slip knot here and making a chain of 10 for demonstration. So let's get started. So here we already have a slip knot, so I'm going to make a foundation chain of 10 chains. And now for a double crochet we will chain 3 more chains like how we did for a single crochet 1 chain, and for a half double crochet we made 2 chains. So likewise for a double crochet we will make 3 chains. Now what we're going to do is we're going to skip those 3 chains that we made, and we will double crochet in the 4th stitch, 4th chain from the hook. So I will yarn over, insert the hook into the 4th chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now I have 3 loops on my hook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to yarn over first, only pull through the first 2 loops, and then again yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And this, my friends, is a double crochet. So you see the 3 chains acts as a double crochet initially. So I'm going to yarn over, again insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2, and yarn over and pull through the next 2. This is how we make a double crochet. I'm going to do a couple more stitches with you, and you can see how the double crochet stitches look. They are double the size, or they are bigger than a half double crochet stitch. Basically they are double the size, that's why they call this a double crochet stitch. I'm going to complete the rest of the stitches quickly, and I'll show you the difference of height between a single crochet, half double crochet and a double crochet. So now we are on to our last chain. I will do this with you. Yarn over, insert the hook into the last chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. We have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through the first 2, and yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. This completes our double crochet row. Now for the purpose of the video I'm going to stop here. I will chain 1 and snip the yarn, and I will secure the yarn and show you the difference between a single crochet, half double crochet and a double crochet. Double crochet has more height compared to a single crochet and a half double crochet. So this is the comparison between a single crochet, half double crochet and a double crochet. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you in my next video for a triple crochet. Bye bye.